Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal has extended her support to all the doctors protesting and seeking justice for the trainee doctor who was brutally raped and killed in Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. She said that the nation stands with the friends and families of the doctor in the hour of grief. Arzu Ser is joining us for more on this story. Arzu, Swati Maliwal also now reacting to the horrific incident from Kolkata.
Yes, Uday, there has been a nationwide outrage regarding the incident that has happened inside the hospital, where a girl was brutally murdered and raped inside the premises on duty. And in fact, the Swati Maliwal, who was a DCW chief, and also now the Rajya Sabha MP, has extended her support to all the doctors seeking the justice for the young trainee, doctor who was brutally raped and murdered while on duty at the hospital in Kolkata. And also she said that my heart goes out to the family and friends of the victim, and the nation stand with in this hour of the grief. And we can see, there has been a doctor protest since the morning. Right now I am at the RML and would like to show you, the doctors are here. They're sitting here holding the protest, asking for the justice. And we will go across them to take their reaction also, as the matter have now reached the High Court. What now these doctor has to say? This matter has now gone to High Court also. So how do you see this?
Ma'am, we hope that they take it seriously and give a decision which is for the benefit of the victim. And apart from that, they also consider this thing, they should focus on the cause. I agree कि ये matter बहुत importance का है, but ये हुआ क्यों है? The primary reason for it, they should also look forward for it. एंड बट फॉरमोस्ट चीज़ यही है कि अभी जो एक्यूट कंडीशन है उसके ऊपर वो ध्यान दें एंड उसके लिए सही डिसीजन लें, ताकि जो विक्टिम है मतलब उसकी फैमिली, they should feel secured कि at least some action has been taken for them.
Of course, Uday, they are asking for the reason should be known that why such incident had happened. Also joins me, Doctor. How do you see this? Now the matter has reached to the High Court. Also, the entire doctor community has come together to raise this issue. How concerning it is for the doctors of this country?
Ma'am, this issue is just not concerned to doctors only. It is concerned to all the human beings who are living in this country. All the female, all the girls that they are in country. If doctors are not safe inside the hospital on their duty, how would you think a girl who are passing through a street or passing through a road is safe in a night? The doctors have to stay in a hospital at night. They have to do continuous duties of 24, 48, whatever hours it is. They have to go from one building to other in night, 3 a.m. just to save the life of the patient. If they don't feel safe during going from one building to another, or not feeling safe while doing work in a hospital, how they efficiently save the life of the others who need their help? So our main concern is that all doctors should provide a proper facility, security in a hospital, so they can feel assured that no one gonna attack them, no one gonna rape them, no one gonna harass them when they are on duty, try to save the life of their relative or their.
So, of course, Uday, the doctors are demanding the proper security for the doctors staying late night in the premises, in the hospital. Also, you can see, thousands of doctors in the premises are holding protest night now. We will also take reaction. एक accused जो है वो पकड़ा गया है, जो हॉस्पिटल के प्रिंसिपल थे उन्होंने रिजाइन भी कर दिया है. आपको लग रहा है कि इस मामले में एक्शन लिया जा रहा है, जो लोग आप लोग डिमांड कर रहे हैं वो हो रहा है?
नहीं, डिमांड तो अभी पूरी नहीं हो रही है, कंसिडरिंग कि जैसे वी वांट द CBI इंक्वायरी टू बी देयर. जो लोकल पुलिस है, वहाँ की स्टेट पुलिस है, वो अप्रोप्रिएट उतना एक्शन अभी तक ले नहीं पाई है. एंड हो रहा होगा, भी वर्क इन प्रोसेस चल रहा होगा, बट स्टिल वी वांट अ फास्टर एक्शन कंसिडरिंग द थिंग दैट हैज़ हैपेंड ऑलरेडी इज़ वेरी ग्रूसम. एंड कंसिडरिंग डॉक्टर्स एज द सेफेस्ट हेल्प यू कैन फाइंड इन एनी प्लेस, यू कैन नॉट थिंक कि वहाँ पर उनको जाकर ये अटैक हो रहा है, कि कुछ भी हो रहा है. एंड सच अ हीनस क्राइम सच एज रेप एंड फर्दर किलिंग द गर्ल, इट्स नॉट जस्टिफाइड इन एनी वे. तो it's possible the government is taking action, but then it has to be visible to us as well. That's why यही सब कर रहे हैं, ताकि at least वो भी vocal हो पाए अपने side से.
Okay. So Uday, what we can pick is that doctors are demanding the CBI inquiry in this entire matter, and also we are seeing that there has been a support from across the nation. The entire doctor community has come together, and if we talk about in the national capital also, in the all 10 government hospitals today, the doctors have started their protest, and this will continue until their demand doesn't fulfilled by the government. This is what the doctors are saying right now.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.